So what is up, guys? It's the Scripting Legend here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a sword in Roblox Studios. Now let me just show you how this will look in the end of the video. So as you can see, I have the Roblox sword right here. I didn't make how the sword looks, but I did script it, and I'll show you how you can do so as well. Then we have this zombie chasing us just to test out our sword on. And as you can see, if I click, then I can then this animation plays. Alright, and now I can attack the zombie. Now the attack is a bit slow, but we can tweak that as much as we'd like. But as you can see, it was damaging the zombie. So now I'm gonna actually show you how we can do this. So basically what you're gonna want to do is make your sword model, right? So I'm just going to demonstrate with the classic Roblox sword. So I'm gonna go into the toolbox and just search for a sword. And now what I'm going to do is just click on this first one by Roblox. I'll just put into the starter pack, yeah, why not? And now I'm just gonna delete these scripts. Also, guys, if you use this sword in your game, then there's really no point in making your own sword. That's why you should make your own sword. I'm just gonna rename it to sword. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, is just insert a script into the sword. Just delete print hello world, click on the script and rename it to damage. Alright, so we can set a variable called local damage, and we can just set that equal to whatever we want. I'm going to make my sword do 20 damage, so a 5 hit, and then I'm going to drop 2 lines, and I'm going to do script.parent.touch, script.parent.handle.touched, my bad, guys, script.parent.handle.touched, connect function hit. Alright, so now what we are going to do is we are going to make an if statement. So we're going to do if hit dot parent dot name is not equal to script dot parent dot name, and hit dot parent wait for child humanoid. Then, so basically what this if statement does, the first thing before the and, we're just making sure that that the sword doesn't actually damage the player that is using the sword, because that is not what we want, right? And now the second thing we did after the and is we're just making sure that there is something called humanoid in it, so that if it touches like a wall or something, we won't just pack the output with error messages. So now inside of here, what we're going to do is we are going to just do hit dot parent dot humanoid dot health is equal to hit dot parent dot humanoid dot health minus damage, because we set our damage variable earlier. And now, so that this doesn't keep firing, because then it'll be a one hit anyways by the time the sword comes back up, we're just going to add like a script dot disabled is equal to true. Then like a wait of, let's try 0.5 seconds, since as you saw in the demo, it was a little too long, and we had it at 1 second. It was a lot too long in the demo, that's why we're cutting it in half. Then we'll drop a line from there and do script.disabled is equal to false. Not is equal to function is equal to false. Alright, so now this should be our damage script, and the other script is a lot longer, so I'm just going to drag it into our sword from the demo sword, and I'll just show you the script. You can make your own animation since we just skipped this part, I'm gonna try to make the animation with you guys. So if it turns out good, then yeah, you can just copy me. So basically, what we're gonna do first is just go to build rig, our build rig plugin, and we're just gonna insert an R15 block rig dummy. So dumb. And now what we're gonna do is go click on our animation editor. By the way, guys, those are both in the plugins tab, and they both come default. So yeah, we'll just rename this to sword slash sword slash. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna make you hold the tool in your right arm, so that's why we're going to animate his right arm. So we want it starts like this, right? So what we're going to want to do in our animation is like, oh no, I guess we're going to like, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Let's just put this back here. We're going to move our time frame stamp thing, whatever, keyframe thing over a bit. And now we're just going to bring the arm up a little and then grab this middle piece of our arm and rotate that up a little so that it looks like we're just like, look, I don't know how to explain it. Like, we have an elbow now, okay? We wouldn't be able to do that if we inserted our 6 build rig. So yeah, now that we have it like that, we're just going to move our time frame thing again. And we're just going to grab the back part of our arm once again and bring it down. Sorry guys, it's taking me a little because I'm trying to like envision like how like I'd be like swinging a sword right now. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is pretty good, right? Let's just watch this animation. Hey guys, it might not be bad. I gotta say, bro, that doesn't look too bad. Alright, so let's just move some stuff over, maybe make it a little longer. Okay, so now let's just play it. Here, let's just make that a little shorter. Alright, yeah, that looks pretty good, guys. So now we're going to click on these 3 dots right here. We're going to click export. This should just pop up. Just hit submit right away because we already titled it before. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is, it shows you your ID here, but you can't like highlight and copy. So you're just going to hover your mouse over this like double rectangle thing. Just click that and then this ID copied in green font should appear next to it. So then we can just hit close and that's it. So now what we're going to have to do is just go into our animate/activate script. Let's just rename this to animate. Alright, so into our animate script, and then where we have these numbers right here after RBX asset ID : / paste in those numbers that we just copied, and we should be good to go. So now I'm just going to hit play here because I'm already in a position far away from my zombie. Okay, so our zombie's coming here. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to add a little tweaking right after this. Oh, he's just gonna target our zombie rig thing. Alright, so as you can see, the animation is not the best, but it works. Let me just show you how to get rid of that. Like if you like spam click, it just like keeps restarting the animation. So we're going to after we do track home play, we are going to then I think our animation lasts like 26 seconds. So we're gonna add a wait of 25 seconds just in case. But before we do that, we're gonna have to add a script.disabled is equal to true, and then a script.disabled is equal to false. So now let's hit play, and I'm gonna spam click. I'm gonna hold my mouse right up to the mic so that you can hear it, even though I won't be able to unless I'm listening to the recording. But yeah, that really doesn't matter. I don't know why I said that. Alright, so basically, let's just click. You can hear I'm spam clicking. And yeah, so, alright, so that didn't work. Hold on, guys. Alright, so that didn't work, which is fine. It's just because of how bad the animation really is. I was just trying to make it seem like that animation wasn't that bad. Guys, you're probably way better animators than me, but yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.